Namaste. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kusal Broom. I am from Waling. I am 22 years old. I am single. I have completed my higher secondary school from Lunda College. My strengths are honest, quick learner, energetic, with good team skills and communication skills. Barista is a professional who makes and serves coffee and other beverages usual in coffee shops. Thank you.